If you want to be able to take screenshots without buttons on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then first of all we need to open Settings, scroll down on the left side, and you want to choose Advanced Features. Now after that we're gonna go to Motions and the Gestures, and then we have the Palm Swipe to Capture option, which should be enabled if you actually want to take screenshots without buttons. And in this case, so you can use your hand like this, for example, and swipe from left to right side, or from right side to the left side, like this. So this is one of the ways that allow you to take screenshots without buttons. Besides that, let me actually check if there is an option over here in the quick settings. So at least by default, there seems to be no option to do so, but we're gonna tap on this pen icon and let's edit this section. And over here we have the take screenshot option. So we can add it. And now let's press done. Without using any gesture, you can just go to quick settings, press take screenshot, the quick panel or control center will hide, and we can capture the screenshot. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.